Hello guys, good morning. Today is our running. So may mga kasama ako, nakasama ko ngayon mag-running. Very exciting, leg 2. This is leg 2. So ang kilometers na tatakbo natin ngayon is 21 kilometers. Sama ko yan mga 5 kilometers yung mga kasama ko. Tayo 21 kilometers tayo ngayon. So masaya to. Tapos na natin yung leg 1, leg 2 na tayo. And sunod na takbo is leg 3 and of course finals.
Oh yes.
Ayan, yung mga kasama ko, kaway-kaway naman yung mga 5 kilometers dyan. Mga 5 kilometers po lahat mga yan. So tayo 21 kilometers tayo ngayon. Sabayan natin yung takbo nila. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga 5 kilometers. Ayan, masaya po ito talaga. Nakakaibang experience dito sa mga running era. Ayan po yung mga kasama mga runners, no? Ganda nyo may lakad nyo. Lakad nyo.
Oh my God!
Bigyan po natin sila.
Act like an angel, dress like crazy.
Tingin dito lahat.
Act like an angel.
Oh wow!
Ayun na po yung mga ice cream. Yung butang sundae. Up Leslie, kaya up. Ay ba ko ngayon up eh.
Flashback.
So tayo 21 kilometers tayo ngayon.
End of flashback.
Kilometer. Up. Five tayo ngayon, 5 ako eh.
Para na demote.
Kamote, gawa ng kapatid ko na ba yun ba? Kapatid ko. Oo.
Yung sa pwede ron ah.
Yan, sila ba eh.
Dalawa. Kami magkakasabay.
Sunday party. No Warner. Sila. Nakalis na naman laki.
Napalo na kami no?
Ano ka, Weng?
Ako mag-start eh.
Go, Per.
Go na.
Kaya na may bunutin.
Pero ito gagawin ko lang ha. Tapos may price. Go. Get up. Yes. So, jumping jacks na 3 times. Sige, wait lang.
Video ako doon.
Per, ikaw per.
Nakafollow na ko. Nakafollow ko dalawa.
Ganda. Hindi, mag-video, tiga video ko eh.
Walang sasanap.
Ay, magagawa.
Hindi kasi natin makukulit yung ibang steps.
Boy, ilang push-up? 5. Sige ako na sa link.
Yay! Bigyan kita.
Baka paya ka, baka 4 lang yan ah.
Sasaluhin ko lang po.
Okay na, nakapalaw lang.
Mga runners. Mga runners. Bye. So ayan guys, ayan, malapit mag-start yung running. Hinihintay lang namin to si Jennifer. Picture man tayo sa picture. 1, 2, 3. Dito yung background, dito yung CR yung background yun eh. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, so pareho kami 21 kilometers.
Time nyo man ngayon tumakbo, remember that you thought at one point, and it still stands and it's a good idea, alright? And also, run like the X is watching. Parang ano, may mga PR dyan ha.
A big hand please for our friends from Gatorade. They are our official hydration.
Let's go!
First time runners, roll, yo, let's go!
tayo. Ma'am, sama ko dito. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So, grabe guys. Ang bibilis sa mga runner. Talagang ano, napagandaan.
Again, remaining.
Okay na. Per. Kaway.
Pinapos ko siya kanina sa 10K.
Boss.
Kasi ka pala, girl. 5K runners, cut your bibs ha. Dapat color blue.
Right.
May mga 10K pa, please be mindful. Some 10K runners still crossing. They're on the left side. In a few, we'll be sending you off. Welcome. Welcome, 5K runners.
Oh, ito picture sa akin.
Our
Pero-
runners from Team Sunday Barely with us for 5K.
Of course, our remaining category of the day, we want to make sure that you all have fun and have a safe race, which is why we're also staggering those who are setting off in front of you. So quick check, first time runners for us here at TRA, hands up. First time.
Sa entrance kami guys.
Nice to have you with
Kami
us.
pinaka-
And good luck. 5K should be lots of fun.
Yeah.
You're trying to ng 5K.
Yeah, of course. Especially with your round, if it's your first time running this. Reminders as well, it's going to be a little bit warm today, particularly.
So guys, starting na ng takbo. Oh. Hingal, biglaan. Ay, bilis na nila. Yes. Kawai, guys. Ah, ito ko nga pala, takbo daw. Para ako sabihin, lalakad lang tayo. Bilis. So, bibilis sa mga kasama namin. Grabe. Bayan natin sila. So guys, done. 37 minutes. Thirty-seven minutes natin na dali.
Oh, wow!
Naiwan na natin sila Ate Jonah at si Jennifer. Yan natin. Harap.
ko alam kung intensity, itsura nila at the finish line because